My name is Jo. I'm the marketing manager here at Open Road, and I have been here for just over a year. My favorite thing about here is the sense of community that we've created. We're having a ton of fun events where we're bringing the community back in who may have forgotten who we were. We're getting back to our roots, selling motorcycles, and having the best time. Right now, I ride on the back on a Heritage Softail. No, my dream bike is currently on the floor. It is the Revival Electra Glide. It is beautiful. Thank you guys from the bottom of my heart. I am so sincerely lucky to work with such a great crew of people who are so passionate about motorcycles and who love to be here every single day. Anytime you want, you can stop by and see us here at Open Road. We have the most fun, we are the most friendliest team, and we are excited for HD's 120th.